we're gonna show people how to replace O2 sensor on a F-150 2014. We're going to take the engine cover off. We gotta take the oil cap off.
Then we just pull up on this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we gotta unplug the O2 sensor. The O2 sensor plug is back here. We got the connector unplugged. Now we gotta get the 7/8 wrench. We gotta bolt it up at the bottom. And we got plugged up at the top. All we do is gotta put our oil cap back on. And our engine cover back on. And that's it. And clear our code. And drive it. Have a good day. Bye. I'll see you on the next video.